how do you make decisions when things feel uncertain?
I'm a parent. I cannot deny that. To be a responsible person, you should make considerations for your whole family. But a lot of the decisions that I have made have been to show my kid that I do exist. I exist for more than just you. I love you. But life is so rich and so complex that multiple identities can exist. And to have one costume, have one mask on, that doesn't serve a person justice. So a lot of the difficult decisions that I've made have aligned with how does it serve my family? How does it serve my kid? Are we happy? Are we safe? But then after I figure out all that important, responsible stuff, then I kind of sneak in. I'm like, well, what if I add in that race? Or can I run that distance? Or can I start this art collective? I try not to be too calculated because I feel like if you're overly calculated, it doesn't allow you to look around you and see what opportunities can pop up.